Hi, I'm Adam Burns, a product specialist here at Logitech, and I want to help you set up your new camera. With that, let's get started. Plug your camera into your computer. No software is required. Now, let's make sure everything is working. Let's start by checking your camera. Click on Start and type Camera. Open the Camera app, and don't worry if you don't see yourself. Click the camera rotate icon in the upper right corner until the light comes on and you see yourself. Now, let's make sure to set your audio device. Most Logitech cameras come with a built-in microphone. Click on Start, Settings, System, Sound, and choose your audio device from the drop-down list. Congratulations, you have your camera up and running. For more on how to use video conferencing platforms along with tips and tricks and fun effects you can do, check out my other videos. This has been a Logitech Pants Optional production.